So Dr. Seuss is a staple in our household. I read to my kids at every chance I get because he shares some incredible lessons in ways that kids, and actually some adults, can't help but be inspired. So today is no different. One of my many Dr. Seuss's quotes that I remind my kids of daily is when something bad happens to you, you've got three choices. You can let it define you, let it destroy you, or you can let it strengthen you. Now, we all go through tough times, but it's how we overcome these difficulties that make us stronger. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use that adversity to your advantage and become a better person because of it. So I know what it's like to go through tough times, but what I've learned is that if you don't let these difficulties defeat you, then they could actually help you become a stronger person. So stay tuned, my friends. Grab a pen and paper and let's get started, because there is a way to use adversity to strengthen you to be better. Now, I get it. It's easy to feel like a victim when life throws us curveballs, and they surely do. But if we can shift our perspective and see adversity as an opportunity for growth, then we can come out of the other side of it even better than before. So here are some tips on how to use adversity to strengthen yourself and to become a better person. Number one, define what happened. Now, don't try to sugarcoat it or make it seem better than it is. Accepting the truth of a difficult situation is often the hardest part to facing it head on. So trying to sugarcoat it or make it seem smaller than it is can be tempting, but such attempts will likely not help us to get to the bottom of what happened and finding an effective solution. So by acknowledging the complexities of our experience without allowing it to define us and destroy our feelings of hope and motivation, we are gradually strengthened by all that we've learned. Now, just as Dr. Seuss said, letting difficult times strengthen us rather than define us or destroy us is ultimately more worthwhile and uplifting in the long run. And remember that. Second thing, friends, is to accept that it happened and that it's a part of your life now. The simple acceptance that no matter how hard something has hurt us, it is part of our life now, and we need to accept that it happened, gives us an incredible amount of freedom. By embracing this truth and doing the best we can with it, we find strength, a strength that was born out of adversity, remember. We must never forget Dr. Seuss's wise words. When something bad happens to you, don't let it define you or destroy you, but use it as an opportunity to become stronger and wiser. Look at it as an opportunity for growth and evolution. Now is your choice to take hold of your situation, accept it, embrace it, and rise above it. Third thing, friends, choose how you're going to react to it. Will let it define you, or will it destroy you, or will it strengthen you? No matter what happens in your life, it's up to you to decide how you're going to react to it. Only you can choose which path you'll take, but by embracing obstacles and learning from them, you can come away with experiences with a newfound strength that will help propel you forward. So don't forget, every decision carries with it not only its own set of consequences, but it has its own set of opportunities for growth that can't be realized any other way. So pick wisely, because your reaction now will shape your future more than anything else. Another thing, my friends, if you choose to let it strengthen you, figure out how you're going to do that. So to let something bad become a strength can be a challenging journey. I get it, but it will ultimately bring the biggest rewards. So to begin, start by understanding the causes of what happened and how it has affected you. Now, once that is done, now you've got to create the goals to help you rebuild and to grow stronger. This might mean, learning a new skill or working on yourself through things like mindfulness or journaling or being coached. Reward yourself at every step forward on your journey, as it's essential to appreciate every effort made toward becoming stronger. Now, with determination and perseverance, nothing is impossible, and soon enough, you'll turn that disappointment into a strength. My friends, the only way to move forward is to take action. Take action steps toward making that happen. There is great power in taking proactive steps toward allowing something negative to have a positive outcome. So instead of waiting for something bad to happen, embrace the challenge and take actions toward making it a new opportunity for growth. With determination, this seemingly impossible task can become achievable. The strength will come from assuming control and from developing an approach that leads you forward, and it leads you toward something. It leads you toward an end result of strength, resilience, and greater understanding. Now, it may be hard. By accepting our options and consistently working on finding solutions, we can choose to allow misfortune to be transformed into success, which is really what I want for you, my friends. So keep moving forward, even when things get tough. I would even say, especially when they get tough. No matter how difficult the situation, it is important to keep pushing forward. The foundation of your success lies in not allowing yourself to be defeated by what life throws at you, because it's going to throw a ton at you. But it may always seem easier said than done. I get it. But every setback offers you the opportunity to become stronger and wiser. Life is too short not to keep fighting on and make progress, even when things feel too hard. So don't give up. Everyone experiences moments of difficulties in our lives, but it's up to each of us to choose how we will react. Our reactions can either be sources of our strength or sources of our destruction. But by following Dr. Seuss's advice and making conscious decisions about how to move forward, we have the opportunity to turn difficult situations into opportunities for growth and more resiliency. Taking action steps towards your goals, even when things get tough, as I said, especially when things get tough, is the best way to reach that success. Although setbacks are inevitable, having faith in yourself and staying true to your inner guiding light, always remembering that the struggles you face today can help shape you into a better version of yourself tomorrow. So my friends, I hope you enjoyed today's morning rounds as I've enjoyed giving it and sharing it with you. And if you want to reach, again, that next level of success that you're looking for, consider high performance coaching. So if you're interested, you're asking yourself, what is high performance coaching? Well, I'm a certified high performance coach. And if you want to reach that next level of success that you're looking for, hit the link right beside this video. Or if you're driving, it'll be in the show notes, and schedule your free one-on-one session with me to see if high performance coaching is for you. But until tomorrow, my friends, I'll see you right back here for another morning rounds before your morning rounds. Have a great day. Bye-bye.